Alright, I want to do a video on how to disable a seatbelt chime on a 2018 Ford Escape. Put the key in, turn it on, set the parking brake, and now have to wait for the seatbelt indicator to go off. This takes about a minute, so I'm just going to talk about what I've been experiencing in this time. The manual says to latch and unlatch the buckle 3 times. Then the light comes on, latch it, unlatch it again, and it's done. I successfully did the driver's side, but it was more than 3 buckles, so I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger side. And I'm not going to film that. It's self-explanatory. You just buckle and unbuckle the seatbelt. Alright, it's off. So you wait about 5 seconds. Now buckle, unbuckle, wait about 2 or 3 seconds. Buckle, unbuckle, wait, buckle, unbuckle, wait, buckle, unbuckle. Now there's the light, so we'll do it again. Unbuckle, and it flashes. That's it. The manual's wrong, the video is right. Thank you, and good night.